The red-vented bulbul. The red-vented bulbul is a species of bird. It belongs in the family Pycnonotidae. It is found in tropical southern Asia from India and Sri Lanka east to Burma and southwestern China. The red-vented bulbul is easily identified by its short crest, giving the head a squarish appearance. The body is dark brown with a scaly pattern, while the head is darker or black. The rump is white, while the vent is red. Red-vented bulbuls build their nests in bushes at a height of around 2 to 3 meters. 2 or 3 eggs is a typical clutch. Nests are occasionally built inside houses or in a hole in a mud bank. They inhabit open woodlands, scrub, farms, villages and cities, pairing off while breeding, but otherwise going about in small groups.